Scotland's nature is unique. Many of us are now, more than ever, taking notice of our natural surroundings and truly breathing it all in. Nature provided comfort and well-being to many during the COVID-19 crisis. People made new connections to nature on their doorsteps, and many missed treasured natural spaces further afield. As Scotland recovers from COVID-19, our natural world is at the heart of the nation's well-being. NatureScot wants to help people strengthen these connections, making space for nature in their lives both physically and mentally, and contributing to a nature-rich Scotland. Prior to COVID-19, climate change and biodiversity loss became two of the biggest, most urgent challenges we faced. Nothing has changed, and the challenges continue to be inextricably linked. Solutions based in nature, large and small, that can also enrich the environment will dramatically reduce carbon emissions and reverse biodiversity loss. NatureScot will be at the forefront of pioneering work to restore our habitats, protect our species and promote nature. And we have a key role to play in Scotland's green recovery from COVID-19, advancing nature-based solutions to support a more sustainable economy and society. We're helping restore Scotland's most threatened habitats and support woodland planting and peatland restoration. We're assessing Scotland's most at-risk species and reducing pressures from non-native species. And we're connecting people with nature in so many ways. These are just some of the nature-based solutions that help our native wildlife thrive and improve our overall health and well-being, contributing to a healthier and more resilient economy. A nature-rich future where everyone is involved will make us all happier, healthier, wealthier and more equal. We want everyone to know they can make a difference by caring about our natural world. So make space for nature in your life.